Okay, hello, you got me guys? Great. Um, what's going on in the markets? It's almost 9 o'clock. Time's a ticking. Now, what you guys are looking at is the market's to wanting to break out. But will it happen is the question. I would think not. I would think not. I would think we go lower. And I think we end up... Okay. If we go higher here, we're going to continue a move higher. And we might break. We might... See how we did 2 here? We might only do 1. I think we're going to do 2. So, I mean, that's how it was here. And in order for it to keep going, it had to reset the indicators right here. Well, this was also, I'm pretty sure, the freaking scam of a day, Tuesday. Yeah, it was. So, this is the scam. But the central banks aren't going to sell. So, we're looking at just this one. Now, if we have this one, it looks like we're already done. It's kind of sad. We can't get a reading on this, boys. We can't get a reading. So we're at maybe 10, 9? So we're at maybe 9 with the RSI. I mean MACD, 9.4. And we're at 8.8. In reality, 9.4, so it should be like 14-ish. We should get to 14 on the negative MACD histo. You know, I still think it's going to fail, and this is going to be a big test lower. You know, the market's really... oh, look, Dow Jones is red. Not good signs, and dojis are not good signs. Those are transition candles, my friends. I just wanted to get a quick video out, and I'm going to get a quick video out at market open. You know, I don't know. You know, again, it could go either way at this point. The markets could rebound and come up, and then that's their big test, and you know, oh, the market's saved. But let's see. Unless the central bank buys the hell out of shares in the morning, then what we're looking at is a rise up perhaps. Oh, look here. Looks like this does not look pretty. If we end up failing this resistance level, oh, you guys can't see what I'm talking about. If we guys fail this resistance level here, it's not going to be pretty. Look, we started to be positive. Yeah, look at the Mac. Look at the CCI. Spiked up too much. Spiked up too much, guys. Lower highs. It's going to start this pattern. We're going to start to break down, and we're going to start to get a negative decline. We're at the top of the ranges on a 1 minute. So we've backed down, and perhaps we'll get a spike right here, but I think that's going to be it. We're going to come back down. Let's look at a 10-minute, because let's just keep going through the time frames right here. 10-minute. Oh yeah. So again, we're at the end of the range here for this 10-minute. So we're about to tank and make lower lows. Oh god. Let's look at a 30-minute. 30-minute says we could have made another. We could have went high. We could have went higher, but I think we're gonna fail it and go lower. I mean, is it a possibility we could still go higher? Yeah, it's a lot, and there's a possibility that this MACD can go positive, um, as it's trying to do right now. You know, it's still plausible, but I just don't see it. You know, the markets are, it's below the freaking 200-day moving average on the comp. This is bad. This is bad, guys. It's bad. It's bad. It's bad. What a move for gold here. Bounced off to 50, 1334. We're up 20 bucks. Well, from the 50%. We're up only 14 bucks today. So every single like tick it gets, it's getting stronger right now. But again, we're at the end of the range. What might happen is a spike higher, and then it's going to fail it and come back down. But at that point, the MACD might cross, and we might hold. We might hold above these levels and then break. I say we hold on these levels and fail. I'm bearish. That's just how it is. And these markets can't hold this. There's no support here. No support. We're at critical levels. We're going to go lower. We're going to break lows from the market crash. That's what's coming today. And after we break those lows, I think maybe central banks will step in, the plunge protection team, buy some shares, and get this next stage. Right now we're in if we look at a daily chart, we're in a negative daily move, and it's been that way for a while. Look here, this is what I'm talking about. You see here, look at this MACD, this negative histo. This is what I'm talking about. So this is positive. So we're gonna enter one of these moves. So it's gonna drop here. We're gonna drop, and then we're gonna come up. We're gonna come up, but we're not gonna make new highs. This is all my thesis. I think that we're gonna make lower lows and lower highs, and that equates to a bear market. Excuse me. So that's what we're looking for. These are key technical indicators. We are trying to find. If you're a bear, you better hope that we get support here in the central banks pick it up and take off. It still doesn't save you in general, because this market's going to come down no matter what. And then at the same time, it's going to come back up in some time after that, Crashes don't last forever, and you could profit on the way down and you could profit on the way up. But why I'm so bearish right now is it's because the narrative. It's because they say it can't go down. They say, the U.S. is the greatest, where, the U.S. is the arm of the elites, and it's been the, spearhead of the new world order. And, we've been invading countries and killing innocent people and training terrorists and doing a bunch of false flags. It's not good. It's not good. And I don't like that. That's not American, We need to do what we did back in the day to be successful. So right now it looks like market's cooling down. Again, it might even do one more push higher, get above this, but I think we're going to come down. We might even have a negative momentum for the open. See, we might go up a little bit higher, or we might fail here also. And then I'm looking for a negative open for as much carnage as possible. That's what I'm looking for, but we might not get that. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you appreciate the effort I'm putting into these videos, and I love all you guys. It's a beautiful day. It's raining here in New Jersey, but it's an absolute beautiful day. Um, the sun is shining in my heart, and all you guys need to be careful in the markets. Don't just hold and like fucking get crushed. If you bought in recently, well, I think you're shit out of luck. If you bought in this year, you're shit out of luck, and you just need to wait till the market goes up again and sell it, and then you're good. But it all depends if we make lower lows, because right now we're in the support range, and things could still turn around, and the animal spirits could be released. But at the same token, I think we're going to have a bad day, and that's going to determine the what's going on here. It's going to determine the future. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you in a little bit. Take care, guys.